Hello everybody, Kyle Matches back again, and today we're going to be doing another review. Oh, wait a minute. Where's Thomas? Of Crash and Repair Salty. Thank you, Thomas. So yeah, today, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, we have Trackmaster, Crash and Repair Salty. And thank you, Thomas, for delivering him. And you can go on your way on your branch line. So yeah, we're going to do an unboxing and review and run of Crash and Repair Salty today. I think this is actually the first Salty in the new Trackmaster range. As you see over here, this is one of the older Salties. So yeah, it's one of the old Tomy Salties. Still runs. So yeah, modified it with hook and chain couplers, give it a little rust weathering on the on everything. So yeah. But today we're not going to be talking about regular Salty, regular Tomy Trackmaster Salty. We're going to be talking about the new Spangling Crash and Repair Salty. So yeah, we're going to unbox him. You guys love these unboxing shots, don't you? Okay. Alright. Well, crud. I need tin snips to open this. You get the rock free. Okay. Okay. So we got the rock. Basically just a standard rock. See, and what you do, you put it on the track. Here you put it on the track and the train hits it and poof, it crashes. So let's look at the instructions. Basically, takes 2 AAA batteries, how to play, put the rock onto the track, run Salty, he crashes, and then you repair him. So basically simple. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some tin snips and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. We've got some tin snips here. Doesn't want to cut it. Come out of the Salty, you can finally breathe. Okay. So we got Salty here. That's what it looks like in regular Trackmaster form. He looks actually great. Hopefully they make him as a regular model, like a regular Trackmaster model. Hope they just don't have just a Crash Repair Salty. So this is the first Salty in the Trackmaster 2 range. And so what happens is, when he crashes, oh, matey, I crashed, oh no, yeah. Kind of weird his cab pops out. That would have been kind of cool, like, if they made one of these doors here open, you know, or one of these doors here, you know, just pop on open, or something like that. So, yeah. Has that flip face mechanism, which looks kind of cool. So, yeah. Well, we're going to pop a battery in him, and let's give him a run. Where are my batteries? Oh, there they are. Okay. So it takes 2 AAA batteries. Just unscrew it right here. Here's the unscrewing shot you guys all love. And I probably will modify this with hook and chain couplers. I really don't know for sure. I just dropped the battery. Hold on a minute. Making lots of mistakes today. So he runs. So yeah. So you just turned on. So yeah, so you just pop the bottom back on, screw them back together, and you send them along his way. Oh dear, poor Salty. So thank you everybody for watching this review on Trackmaster 2 Crash and Repair Salty. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a comment. Please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe.